Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here, and today I have an awesome exercise for thinner and toned legs. All right, 4 amazing exercises you're gonna love, so let's get into it. All right, so we will be doing 3 sets. The first one where I talk a little bit more, I explain proper form, the motions, the movements, all that good stuff. And then set number 2 and 3, less talking, more doing. We go straight through the routine. All right, starting with our first exercise, we're gonna be doing side lunges, all right? So standing with a slight bend in your knees, all right, good posture. You can have your hands out to, in front of you, or on your hips, out to your side, whatever feels more comfortable for you. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna step to the side, nice big lunge, all right? Bend that knee, your back stays straight. You might have to come forward a little bit, as long as you stay in a straight back, all right? Side lunge, and then up, and then the other side, all right? Really squeezing your legs as you go down and up, all right? Tucking in your tummy, keeping a straight spine to protect your back, all right? 30 seconds. Big breath, and let's go. So side lunge, very good. Straight back, up. All right, squeezing your core, that's gonna help you balance and perform the movement. Breathing, very good. You can hold down here if you'd like, if that feels good. And repeat, very good. 10 more seconds, you got this. Breathing in your nose, out your mouth. Super important to deliver oxygen to your muscles. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and there you have it. Very, very good. Next, we're doing leg extensions. All right, I'm gonna turn the side here so you can see a little bit better. If you want a little help with balance, go ahead and hold on to a wall or a chair, whatever makes you feel more comfortable. If not, go ahead and try to hold on to yourself to practice balance. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring our knee up, all right, bent, and then extend and come down. So bent and then straight, come down. Leg extension, simple. But I want you to remember to squeeze your tummy to help you bring your leg up. And then when you extend your leg, squeezing your thigh here, your quad. All right, that's where you're really gonna feel it in your legs. Big breath, and let's go. Up, extend, very good. All right, and I want you to have a flat foot when you come up, when you perform the movement. That's gonna help you engage your legs a little bit more. So flat foot, flat, come down, very good. Awesome job. Don't forget that good posture, right? Your tummy is tucked, your back is straight, your shoulders are pushed away from your ears, right? No scrunching, nice, long, elegant neck, all right? The entire body's connected, so having a good posture only helps you perform the movement better and protect your spine. 3, 2, 1, last one, finish it up, and come down, very good. Bend those knees, wiggle it out. Next, we are doing a sumo squat pulse. Sumo squat pulses, all right? So wide stance, your feet are turned out a little bit so your toes are pointed out. All right, we're gonna go in that sumo squat position. All right, and then in this position, you're gonna pulse. So slightly coming up and down, just a few inches, really squeezing those legs, that bum, all right? Activate those lower legs, very good. Or if that's a little bit too much for you for now, no worries. You can just hold it in the sumo position, all right? If you wanna come up for a few seconds and then come down, or go ahead and do those sumo squats. So coming down and then up, all right, down, and then squeezing your legs, very good. So 3 variations there for you. Choose which one is best for you. Big breath, very good. Find yourself, 30 seconds, starting position, and let's go. So getting into that squat, that sumo squat, and then bouncing, little pulses, very good. Even though we're focusing on our legs here, I want a strong upper body. So when I have my hands out in front of me, I like to keep my elbows out to the side, so it kind of engages my upper body as well. All right, very good. Breathe through it, you got this. Again, if you need to come up for a few seconds and then come right back down into those pulses, you can do that. We're almost there. And 3, 2, 1, coming up, squeeze, 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 and stepping together, very, very good. Last but not least, we have curtsy lunges. All right, and I'm gonna give you 2 variations for this one as well. All right, so our foot comes around back behind the other leg, all right, like a little curtsy, except we're doing it fitness mode. All right, you're gonna come down into a curtsy lunge, and then up, and then the other side, all right? If going all the way down is too much for you, no worries, just do a little step. All right, little bounce right here. Doesn't have to go all the way down. You'll get stronger and more flexible over time, but if you can, challenge yourself, go all the way. All right, 30 seconds alternating on the clock. Ready position, and let's go. Remembering that strong upper body as well, really squeezing your core muscles, that's what's gonna help you balance, all right? Breathing, very good, you got this. Halfway there. Chest is up and proud, shoulders away from the ears. Smiling, we're having fun, very good. 5 more seconds. And 3, 2, 1, and release, shake it out. Awesome job, there we go. Set 1 of 4 exercises for thinner, strong, toned thighs. Take a second, breathe, grab some water, and then we're gonna crush set number 2. Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 2, less talking, more doing. We're just gonna go straight through the routine. You know what to do. We have our side lunges, all right? Then our leg extensions, our sumo squat pulses, all right? And then finishing with our curtsy lunges. All right, you got this, breathe, correct posture. Starting with our side lunges, and let's go. Three, 2, 1, and come up, very good. Release, shake it out. Moving on to leg extensions. Big breath, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Go ahead, pedal those knees. And moving on to sumo squat pulses, wide stance, toes are out. Big breath, and let's go. Halfway there, you got this, push through. Big breath. And 3, 2, 1, stand straight, very good, together, and bend those knees. Big breath, finishing strong with curtsy lunges, alternating 30 seconds. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, standing up, very good, release. Shake it out, big breath, and there you have it, awesome job. 2 sets done. Take a second, grab some water, catch your breath. All right, and then we're gonna crush set number 3. Alrighty, set number 3. Let's keep up the energy. You got this. We're almost done. Big breath. All right, starting with our side lunges. 30 seconds, and let's go. Three, 2, 1, and come up. Very good. Release, shake it out. Moving on to leg extensions. Big breath, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Go ahead, pedal those knees. And moving on to sumo squat pulses, wide stance. Toes are out. Big breath, and let's go. Halfway there, you got this. Push through. Big breath. And 3, 2, 1. Stand straight. Very good. Together. And bend those knees. Big breath. Finishing strong with curtsy lunges. Alternating 30 seconds. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Standing up, very good. Release, shake it out. Big breath. Alrighty, that was it. 3 sets of 4 exercises for thinner, strong, toned thighs. Let us know what you thought in the comments below. If you're ready for another set, rewind, get to it. If not, check out our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell. That lets you know when we post so you don't miss out on the next awesome, great workout or recipe. We have it all. All right, hope to see you there.